How to fix IVPN on Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script file you can use to uninstall IVPN on Mac. 1. Open your preferred text editor, such as TextEdit or Sublime Text, and create a new file. 2. Copy and paste the following script into the file, #bin/bash. #uninstall IVPN sudo launchctl unload /library /launchdaemons com.ivpn.client.plist. sudo rmrf/application/ivpn.app sudo rmrf/library/application support /ivpn sudo rmrf/library/launchdaemons com.ivpn.client.plist. sudo rmrf/library/preferences com.ivpn.client.plist. sudo rmrf/library/PrivilegedHelperTools com.ivpn.client.Helper. Echo IVPN has been uninstalled successfully. 3. Save the file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_.sh. 4. Open terminal and navigate to the directory where the script file is saved. 5. Run the script by typing /uninstall_.sh in terminal and pressing enter. 6. You will be prompted to enter your admin password. 7. Wait for the script to finish running. Once it's done, IVPN should be completely uninstalled from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.